Morning, you guys. It's about 7:11 in the morning, and we finna do these slow cooker thin pork chops. Let me show you. I've marinated these before. I'll try to link that video down in the description. So we're gonna go ahead and wash these up and get them seasoned. And I will walk you guys through with a voiceover of what we seasoning with today. So let's go ahead and get these washed and get them in our slow cooker pot. I'm gonna use the big crock pot today. Let me show you. Yep, we're gonna use the big crock pot today. So you guys stay tuned for everything, and then we're gonna cook today as well. I'm gonna do some half a purple cabbage. And we're gonna do, I'm gonna put some rolls, some rolls in a pan. We're gonna cover them up and let them rise today. And we will get them cooked, so we're gonna put them on today. Alright, you guys, let's get started. Oh, and let me try to, let me get the price in there. Hold on 1 minute. I hope y'all can see that. I don't know if it's coming in or not. But yeah, I paid $3.88 for these. $3.88 for these thin chops, thin pork steaks. Yep. Alright. Let's go ahead and get these washed. Hey you guys, and welcome back to Foodie Gourmet. As you've seen by the title, yes, we're bringing you another slow cooker meal. So I'm gonna slow cook some pork chops and potatoes, and I'm gonna do cornbread. Yes, I said cornbread and cabbage. And I'm gonna try to get the rest of that plastic off of the packaging. I will jump back in when it is time to season, and I will walk you guys through the seasoning process. And there I go, getting all that plastic off. Make sure you get all that off now. And I'm just gonna rest my meat off and get all that grit off of the meat. We don't want to leave none of that behind. And just slide it down in my crock pot. Alright, you guys, I'm Ashley, and I try to bring you guys weekly motivational cook videos. Thank you for watching. Okay, you guys, we're going to go ahead and voice this part over. Okay, today we're going to use some Creole, some garlic salt, some black pepper, some Lawson's steak and chops marinade, and some sea salt. And if this is for children, please be light on the seasoning. A lot of children don't like spicy food. But if this is for adults and they can tolerate a lot of spice, then you can go ahead and be generous, be merry and happy about your seasonings. And don't forget to season both sides of your meat. And I will jump back in when it's time to put the cooking liquid in. Okay, you guys, after you're done seasoning both sides of your meat, like I'm doing here, and then I'm gonna put my my marinade on here in a little bit. I'm just gonna mix my meat around so I can get all my seasoning on my meats, and then I'm gonna pour a little bit of my marinade in the pot, and then I'm going to mix that around as well as I'm doing here. And then you guys can use whatever type of cooking liquid you want. You can use chicken broth, any type of broth that you want. You can use any type of broth you want. You can use water like I'm going to do. You can use wine or beer if you prefer. And then I'm just going to put some onions in here with my meat. And I'm also going to put some my garlic in here as well. And then later on I will chop up some potatoes. Okay, you guys, after I put my garlic and onions in, I was just gonna go ahead and pour my water around in my pot around my meat. Yeah, you don't want to wash too much of your seasonings off your meat, otherwise you'll end up having to put some more seasoning in the pot. Now I'm just gonna submerge, and then I'm gonna put my pot on low to start. Guys, now while those steaks are on, I'm gonna just go ahead and cut me up a couple of potatoes. To put in my crock pot while my meat is cooking, and it'll all marinate together. So let's do that now. Okay, you guys, here I'm just gonna go ahead and slice and peel my potatoes. You do not have to slice and peel your potatoes. You can leave them with the skins on. I'm just gonna go ahead and use 4 potatoes. It's per person, however big you are. Use these this recipe. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and slice and peel my potatoes, and I'm gonna chop them into cubes. Yeah, and I should have put them in halfway through the cooking process. I do recommend doing that. And I'm just using some Idaho potatoes. You can use another type of potato, red nude or fingerling or whatever type of potato you prefer. Okay, my peoples, this is gonna slow cook on low. Hopefully it'll be done by noon, so about for a couple of hours. It's just so until the meat is tender and the potatoes are fork tender and they done. So yeah, and all delicious. If need be, you can add some more cooking liquid, whatever you prefer. And during the cooking process, and I'll probably go in and stir it with my fork or whatnot later on and add whatever liquids I need to. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and comment down below if you want to see more of these slow cooker videos. It's morning, so that why my head ain't done. I just wanted to go ahead and get this on early. And oh yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do cornbread instead of the rolls today, so we're gonna change it up. So if you're new or you're returning and you just haven't hit that subscribe button yet, I'd appreciate it if you did so down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get the latest updates on what we, or you, the viewer, upload next on this or any one of our other channels. You, the viewer, make this happen. Remember that. And jump on over to my other channels and check out those. We've got 3 altogether. Alright, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next, and later on when we go ahead and prepare the cabbage. Bye, y'all. We're back. My meat's still cooking. It's not quite tender yet. It's still cooking though. It's on low. I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut it up. But my potatoes are pretty much fork tender. Ooh, pretty much fork tender. I probably should have put them in there before then, but we're gonna leave them in there though. They're not all done yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up to high. And I'm gonna put the top back on it. And we're going to let this cook on high for another hour or 2, even 3. And I will be back with you guys in a little bit. Yeah, I just need to finish cleaning up. Alright, you guys. And then I'll be back to talk to you guys a little bit about what I am... yeah, what I'm gonna start. So yeah, this is gonna be a cook video. And yeah, so we're gonna do that cornbread and the cabbage, and we're gonna let that cook on high. And I keep forgetting this ain't the round table, so you guys shoot on over to the round table and check out those clean videos if you need some motivation. So let me show you guys the cabbage here. There's the cabbage we're going to do. And we're going to do some cornbread. Let me grab a box of cornbread, y'all. Cornbread. Let me turn some light on. We're going to do some cornbread. Let me get a box of Jif. So we're going to do some Jif. Yep, and we're going to do some Jif. And then that's going to be it for now. So you guys stay tuned for everything. This is gonna be a good dinner. Okay, you guys, right here I'm just gonna go ahead and pour a little bit of my cooking liquid off. My potatoes and or meat are done cooking and they are fork tender, and we're gonna go ahead and get our cabbage and cornbread on and ready. Here I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this barbecue sauce on my meat. I did put just a little tiny bit of water. It don't have to be hot or cold. You just put some water in there and shake, because I just had a little bit. That's all I needed, just for a little extra flavor. And then I did need to season just a little bit more. Okay, you guys, now I'm just going to take one slice of this Jarmara bacon, and I'm just going to cut it up into a couple of pieces. This is used for flavor, and you can also eat it at the end with your cabbage. Leave this in. Don't take it out, because it will be cooked, and you'll probably get a few pieces of bacon in when you go to dish up your cabbage. Okay, here I moved you guys over here so we can go ahead and chop up some onion in our little handheld chopper, and I will be right back. guys, right here, I'm just going to go ahead and slice my cabbage in half with my sharp knife. Make sure you have a sharp knife, and please be careful. And then I'm just going to go ahead and start some water in my sink, and I'm just going to slice my cabbage right into my sink so I can rinse it off. And I'm going to go ahead and get this core out. Make sure you have a sharp, but be safe when you're getting this core out. Okay, guys, I was just moving my bacon around in my pan because I have it on, and I'm getting ready to go ahead and dump my cabbage in there. Do not put any water in this pan because cabbage has its own water. So just go ahead and dump your cabbage in there, and then season as you prefer. I'm seasoning with salt, pepper, and I do believe I used a little Creole in this here. I will link down. I will put the recipe for my pepper sauce in the description box below, and I'm also putting some onion in this. The onion we chopped in this as well, and you just want to layer this salt, pepper, or whatever seasonings you're using, and repeat. And I'm also using the remainder of my garlic salt. Okay, you guys, now it's time to prepare the last of our meal. We're going to go ahead and fix up some of this Jiffy cornbread, and you just want to go ahead and follow the directions on the box, but I'm going to put in a little secret for you guys. Yes, I'm showing you guys all the secrets. I'm just going to, if you guys have made bacon lately, do not discard the bacon grease. Get you a little container and keep your bacon grease, because you're going to want that for when you make your Jiffy cornbread, or even your cornbread from scratch. Yeah. It makes it taste delicious, and it helps it to rise. You guys, the dinner is going to be delicious. That potato I just tried on camera is delicious, you guys. And the meat is so tender and moist. Oh my God, you guys. I will make sure that I take a picture so we can put it in the thumbnail. And it'll be the intro so you guys can see the whole plate. I got the cornbread in it. Yes, I said cornbread. It's not cornbread, it's cornbread in the oven. That's gonna bake for about 15 to 20 minutes until brown. So that's gonna be that. And then tomorrow I'm gonna take you guys along with me because we gotta go do some errands tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna go get some things, and I gotta go to Kroger's because they have the Red Baron pizzas and the Jimmy Dean breakfast sausage and the Kettle Brand potato chips on sale this weekend. 3 days. It starts today. So you guys load your card. And they also have the Tyson chicken nuggets, a chicken breast, whatever, or strips of tenderloin, whatever is on sale for $4.99. So you guys go pick up some of those for your family. I like to wait until they drop it down at least $3.99, so then I can just get that in case I have a coupon for that. But I really am looking for some raw chicken so that we can do those tomorrow along with the pizza, so we can do pizza and chicken wings. So let me show you guys. You can load this onto your card via the app or the website, and it's also available for if you have King Soopers in your area. So this would be on sale too. And then let me show you the Tyson. So yeah, that's that. So I'm gonna try to go pick up some of those, and they're also still doing the 5 for 5, where you pick 5 things and you get it for $5. Let me show you. Buy 5, save 5. That's still going on. We do indulge in that. So it's a bunch of stuff on there. Just look in your local paper, or you can also go on to the app and or website, and you can also look at the this week's sale paper on there. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go and babysit my cabbage here. Let me show you guys this cabbage. I'm gonna go cool off because you guys can see I'm sweating right now. Yes, I am. I'm a sweater. And I'm gonna babysit my food because the meat is done. So I'm gonna turn this to warm to keep it warm. And then we only got one. Y'all, I need another pot top. I need another big pot top. So I'm having to switch between this, the crock pot, and this pot. So yeah. But anyway, in the meantime, if you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Yes, thumbs up. And once again, share and comment down below. And if you're new or you're returning and you just haven't hit that subscribe button yet, and you like cooking videos and you want something new to make for your family and you just have no idea what you're gonna make tonight, check out Foodie Gourmet. You are on the right channel for that. And so you can hit that subscriber button down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Yes, that notification bell, so you can get the latest updates on what we, meaning you and me, or you the viewer, upload next on this or any one of our other 2 channels. We have 3 altogether, you guys. So if you guys need some motivation to clean up, go over to the round table. That link is in the description box below. If you just need a little bit of crazy in your day and you're having a bad day at work, pull up 6 minutes of crazy. That link is also down in the description box below. And if you just need to find out what you're going to cook for tonight's dinner, stay on this channel, Foodie Gourmet, and I will bring you weekly cooking videos when I can. Next week I will be preparing for you guys steak tacos, slow cooked steak tacos. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna go now and finish cleaning up and get my bread out the oven when it's done, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Pictures at the end.